Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to clear junk files on Infinix Hot 40i device. Okay, junk files such as temporary files, app cache, and residual files can accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space on your device. And also, clearing these files help to free up space, allowing you to store more important files and apps. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open app drawer on your device. Okay, so now look for the Phone Master and tap on the option. Well, so in this page, click junk files and then here you'll find many types of junk files on your device. And for the next step, simply click clean option at the bottom here. Wait till process is finished. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to clear junk files on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.